Securing your digital privacy, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that affects us all in the digital age: securing data privacy. Understanding how to protect your personal information online is crucial. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp of what it means to secure data privacy and why it's so important. Let's get started. Data privacy refers to the right of individuals to control how their personal information is collected, used, and shared. In the digital world, this includes everything from your name and email address to your location data and browsing habits. Securing data privacy means taking steps to ensure that your information is safe from unauthorized access and misuse. In an era where data breaches and identity theft are increasingly common, protecting your personal information is more important than ever. When your data privacy is compromised, it can lead to a host of problems, including financial loss, damage to your reputation, and even emotional distress. Securing your data helps prevent these issues and gives you peace of mind. Securing your data privacy involves several key strategies. Use strong passwords. Create unique and complex passwords for all your accounts. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birth date or common words. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Be cautious with public Wi-Fi. Public networks can be less secure, making it easier for hackers to access your data. Use a virtual private network, VPN, for better security. Regularly update your software. Software updates often include security patches that protect against new threats. Limit what you share online. Be mindful of the personal information you post on social media and other websites. The less information you share, the safer your data will be. Many countries have enacted data privacy laws that give individuals rights over their personal information. These laws typically allow you to request a copy of your data, correct inaccuracies, and even have your data deleted. Familiarize yourself with the data protection laws in your country, such as GDPR in Europe or CCPA in California, to understand your rights and how you can exercise them. Thank you for joining us in this journey to secure your digital privacy. Remember, taking proactive steps to protect your personal information is not just about preventing loss or theft. It's about safeguarding your freedom and rights in the digital space. We hope this video has been informative and empowers you to take control of your data privacy. Stay safe online, and see you in our next video.